How to unlink Rockstar Games from Steam. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink your Rockstar Games account from Steam. To do so, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type rockstargames.com. Once you have entered this URL, now press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Rockstar Games. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the top right, you will be able to see your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and here expand this account option. Click on this account option and from this menu here select this settings option. Once you click on settings, now you will be taken to a new page. In this page, here at the top right, you will be able to see various options. Click on this linked account option. And once doing that, here if you have linked your Steam account with Rockstar Games, you will be able to see the option here. And next to it, you'll also be able to see the unlink button. Now to unlink it, you simply have to click on that unlink button next to Steam account and then confirm the action. After that, you will be able to manage them separately. So, by following the steps, you should be able to unlink Rockstar Games from Steam. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.